practice to look at what represents the architecture of Southwest Virginia. Well, we knew it's not Colonial Williamsburg. So what we looked at was the farmsteads. I mean, even going down 81 or 77 or any of those major interstates, you still see wonderful, beautiful Southwest Virginia homesteads, farms. So what we did is we took that spirit of that and we looked at these basic forms. We took the Gabriel Road from a barn, we split it in half, and we turned that around and began to put it together in different ways, in a more contemporary way. So what we're trying to do is build a very forward-thinking building, a very intelligent, smart, crisp building that's very clearly based on the history and the past building processes that have been done in Southwest Virginia. We're going to be using a lot of natural materials, of course. We're using a lot of maintenance-free materials in terms of siding for the building. We're looking at stone foundations, again, a derivative of the barn designs. We're looking at hardwood floors, cross-cut on the wood to actually show the heartwood of the floor. We're looking at concrete floors, and just a wide variety of materials that are both locally made or locally produced or not transferred for a very far purpose, and that are recycled materials as well.
One of the exciting things we're doing there that one of the other fellows here may have discussed is the heating and air conditioning system is going to be a geothermal system. So we'll have a field of what I call boreholes out in the grass or in the parking lot. And the way geothermal works, you're just drilling a 6-inch diameter hole down in the ground, much like you would drill a well. And it goes down approximately 300 feet, and you drop a 1-inch pipe that goes down this borehole. It goes down into the hole, and it's looped at the bottom, comes back up, and it provides a transfer from that pipe to the groundwater geology. So it's very user-friendly. You know, a lot of people have misconception about geothermal, thinking there's some transfer of, water with the groundwater, some potential contamination of the groundwater. It's not. So when you use that system, you eliminate fossil fuels altogether. You don't have to burn coal or oil or natural gas or any of the typical things you would have in a commercial building to heat the building. This just simply passes the water over the groundwater hydrology and cools the water down or heats the water up, depending on whether you're heating and cooling, and saves lots of energy and does it without any emissions whatsoever. So that's one of the things that we're doing on an artisan project that's very green friendly, environmentally friendly, among others.
The main impact of the site with regard to LEED is the building placement, and its orientation is twofold. One, that it does satisfy some green impact with the roof, but it also allows us to have great curb appeal from Interstate 81.